In this era of social media, getting photo-perfect skin is desired by all. For that, we all spend lots of money and time going to salons, getting regular facials, and buying expensive products. But if you get some easy DIY ways to take care of your skin at home, then it will be a little relief to your wallet. That's why in today's video, we are going to talk about some easy DIY turmeric face mask recipes for you to get photo-perfect skin. So without further ado, let's jump into the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more DIY recipes for your beautiful skin.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
DIY Turmeric Face Mask. Turmeric is a very trending ingredient that is being used in modern skincare products. Skincare enthusiasts have found many proven benefits of turmeric. And you'll be amazed that this wonderful yellow spice has solutions for almost all skin problems. If you don't know those benefits, then you must go and check out our video on turmeric face mask benefits. Links are given in the description box. Coming back to DIY turmeric face mask, we have rounded up 5 recipes of turmeric face mask that can cure many common but stubborn skin problems like acne, blemishes, psoriasis, etc. And you can make this mask with ingredients that are easily available in the kitchen. Now it's time to make a DIY mask. Turmeric face mask for acne fading. Ingredients. For making this mask, you will need 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon raw honey, and a few drops of lemon juice. Procedure. First of all, mix the turmeric powder with raw honey. Add a few drops of lemon juice in the mixture and keep mixing the paste into thick consistency. Application. Apply the paste into your skin and rest for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, rinse your face with lukewarm water and enjoy clearer skin than before. Turmeric face mask for skin soothing. Ingredients. For this soothing mask, you will need 1.5 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon raw organic honey, 1 tablespoon coconut milk. Procedure. Put all the ingredients in one small bowl. Stir well until the mask forms into a thin consistency. Application. Before applying the mask, cleanse your face to remove all the dirt and makeup from your face. Apply the mask evenly on your face and be sure to focus on your inflamed areas more. Leave the mask on for 20 minutes and then rinse your face with warm water. Turmeric face mask to soothe psoriasis. Ingredients. For making this mask, you will need turmeric powder, water, and a piece of gauze according to your need. Procedure. Mix 1 part turmeric powder with 2 parts water. Simmer in a saucepan until the mixture thickens into a paste. Application. Once cooled, apply the paste to the affected area. Wrap a piece of gauze around the treated area. Leave it on overnight. In the morning, remove the gauze and rinse your skin with warm water. Turmeric mask for glowing skin. Ingredients. You will need 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon organic apple cider vinegar, 1.5 tablespoon of organic honey, and 1 teaspoon milk or yogurt for making this mask. Procedure. Mix all the ingredients in one small bowl. Try to keep the consistency that sticks into your face without dripping. Application. Rinse your face before applying the mask. Use your finger or a brush to apply the paste to your face. Avoid the eye areas while applying the face mask. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes for brighter glowing skin. After that, rinse your face with warm water. Turmeric Face Mask for hydrating sensitive skin. Ingredient. For this one, you will need 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of milk, and 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder. Procedure. Slowly mix all the ingredients in a small mixing bowl and try to avoid any kind of lumps in the face pack. Application. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. So these are our 5 DIY turmeric masks that you can easily make at home and make your skin ready for being photo perfect. One more thing, if you don't have enough time to make this DIY mask, then you can go for the ready-made masks available on the market. Links will be given in the description. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.